See them scratches right there on the top?
Yep.
You want to make sure the customer knows about those scratches. Oh man, look at, oh, that's what happened. Something broke the light right there. All right, let's go set this down so we can get this thing changed. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. We got the thing right here. And what we did, we put out a nice clean blanket because we don't want to contribute to these scars. Let's forget that. What we're going to do is turn the wing over so that side is nice and clean. And then what you want to do is take one hand, hold down the wing, the other hand, get your fingers right up under here, and you just want to pop this whole piece going to come up. See how that pops up? Go over here, get this end, pop that thing up, and if you look on the other side of this, that's all it does.